Matt Dagley, Dagley Media. I'm in Lower Sackville, outside the Sackville Arena, where the federal government is about to hold a funding announcement.
I'm super excited. So just so that everybody knows, we're talking about $1.3 million from the federal government in the Sackville Arena to put solar panels on the roof. As you heard during the announcement, that's going to save this facility $14,000 a month in utility costs, completely cover their power bill, and that's going to mean that the kids and the adults and all the people that use this facility will be able to use it for many years to come. It's kind of like a new lease on life, right? And as you heard during the announcement, these panels will make this facility, one of the greenest around in Atlantic Canada, completely covering its utility power bills with the power of the sun is pretty amazing for an arena that's over 50 years old.
Matt Dagley, Dagley Media.